what you'll see is that people are moving from a do testing during pipeline and build, and then do testing in a post-production environment to find the code and shift everywhere to where the code is first seen. And the two places where the code is first seen is when it's committed to repositories, or when it is committed to or used as orchestration or construction or constituency specification for containers and service meshes, or running system configurations, service mesh or Kubernetes configuration. So if you're an organization that says shift left to get earlier about our security, governance, and scanning, I would challenge you, don't shift left, shift to everywhere the code is, and recognize that the code is moving right as more and more of infrastructure is becoming self-service and software defined.